Kirloskar Valves. Made with precision. Made for performance. Made by Kirloskar Brothers Limited. Kirloskar Brothers Limited, a multinational conglomerate with joint ventures and subsidiaries across the globe, combines its indigenous industry knowledge, manufacturing expertise, and technological innovations to provide fluid management solutions in controlling, channelizing, and transporting fluid flow across industries through its valves, pumps, and turbines. To meet the ever-increasing demand for durability and efficiency, you don't just need one of the world's leading valve manufacturer. You need a dedicated partner with a reliable workforce and full control of the supply chain from design, R&D, raw materials to finished products. With over 6 decades of experience in manufacturing specialized high-quality industrial valves, Kirloskar Brothers Limited is a leading manufacturer of valves, providing end-to-end solutions from conceptualization to after-sales. Continued investment in valve R&D and design coupled with a state-of-the-art in-house foundry enables Kirloskar Brothers Limited to keep strict quality control and manufacture valves in a wide range of material of constructions: cast iron, cast steel, forged steel, stainless steel, as well as bronze and brass. With an ultra-modern manufacturing facility at Kirloskarwadi, Kirloskar Brothers Limited produces various types of valves for varied requirements. KBL Valves helps solve the toughest challenges in a multitude of industries, including water management solutions, irrigation, steel industry, power, building and construction, food and beverages, chemicals, and defense. For controlling the flow of various fluids and gases, including water, wastewater, raw water, processed liquids and slurries. KBL employs unique Coracoat technology which protects and prolongs the lifespan and improves the valve surface. Kirloskar Brothers Limited is the only valve manufacturer to have one of Asia's largest hydraulic research center, HRC, for testing valves and pumps, which is equipped with computerized data acquisition system, remote visualization and monitoring, and a capability to conduct in-house flow test. Today, KBL valves are used in almost all municipal corporations and thermal and hydel power plants in India, national and international water management bodies, sewage pumping stations, with valves working seamlessly even after 25 to 30 years of service. Kirloskar Brothers Limited is the first valve manufacturing company to get integrated management system certification comprising of 4 standards: ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and ISO 50001 from TUV SUD. First valves manufacturing company to get ISI certification and FM&UL approval for sluice valves. Winner of MEDA Encon year-on-year since 2011, KBL has successfully carried out proof of design test as per AWWA C504/516 standard. KBL has successfully delivered fluid flow control solutions to more than 1,000 satisfied customers globally. Users across the world remained assured of a consistent after-sales service for the complete life cycle of their valves with KBL's expert engineers. Extensive service network of dedicated refurbishment centers and authorized service centers. With a legacy of over 130 years, Kirloskar Brothers Limited laid the foundation for Make in India more than a century ago and took the nation towards self-reliance and economic independence way before the country became independent. Kirloskar Brothers Limited is committed to enriching lives and making a positive difference through its women empowerment policies and CSR endeavors. Kirloskar Valves. Made with precision. Made for performance. Made by Kirloskar Brothers Limited.